Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you some basic neck exercises. These all are exercises are for patients having cervical spondylosis or whoever is working from home on computers or office workers, whoever having neck pain. They all can do all these exercises to strengthen your neck muscles. So we will start. First exercise is active neck exercises. For that you have to look down slowly like this. Try to touch your chin to your chest. Slowly go and hold for some seconds. Then come in the center and slowly go up. Try to look towards ceiling. Then again repeat it like for 10 counts. Then you have to bend your neck in sideways. Like you have to take your ears towards your shoulder like this. Bend your neck as much as possible. Feel some stretch here. Then come in the center and then repeat on the another side. Each exercise you should hold till 5 counts and repeat for 10 repetitions morning evening. And office workers should ideally take break after every hour. Do some stretches, active neck exercises in between, and then again go back to your work. Then third exercise is rotation. You have to rotate your neck slowly towards left, hold it, then come in the center and rotate towards the right side, and again come in the center. These are some active neck exercises. Then cervical glide or chin tuck exercise. For that you have to take your chin inside. Just tuck your chin. Take your chin, or if not possible initially it will be confusing, but by practice you can do it. Initially you can do with 2 fingers. Keep your 2 fingers like this on your chin and just move with the chin inside, and you will feel this contraction in your these muscles. Feel it. 1 2 3 4 5. Then slowly release. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. You don't have to bend your neck in this, or no neck movements. Just take a chin inside. 1 2 3 4 5 and relax. Okay, this is cervical glide. This is most important exercise. You can do it 4 times a day, or whenever you are taking a break, just do this exercise for at least for 5 repetitions. You will feel really better. Then next is isometric exercises. You have to interlock your fingers like this. Keep on your forehead and push your hand on your forehead and push your head on the hands to feel the static contractions. 1 2 3 4 5. No movements in this exercise also. Just feel the contraction. 1 2 3 4 5. Same repeat for the back. Keep your hands on the back of your neck and push your head on the hands. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Do not hold your breath while doing any exercise. Just keep on breathing normally. Then keep your hands above your ear like this and press it. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Repeat for the opposite side. Keep your hand above your ear and press it. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. These are some static contractions, static neck exercises. Then next is stretching. For this, like if you are doing this stretching for right side, you have to bend your neck, rotate towards your right side, then keep your left hand above your ear like this, and right hand push it on the chair downward. Wherever you are sitting, push your right hand downward and stretch your neck from your left hand like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. You will feel the stretch here. Then for opposite side, again turn the neck on the left side. Right hand above your ear, left hand push on the chair and stretch. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 1 2 3 4 5. This is exercise for your trapezius stretching. And then one more retraction of your shoulders like this. 1 2 3 4 5. You will feel stretch here. Go back. 1 2 3 4 5. Come in the center. So these are some common exercises for strengthening your neck muscles. By doing all these exercises regularly, you will really feel ease and your neck pain will reduce. but you have to do it continuously at least for 15 days. And if something is there, just talk with your physio. But if it is painful, just stop that exercise and then again do it under the observation of your physio. Thank you.